And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What you got running here?
I got 8 Avatar SBL 18s on 4 NS1 V2s at half ohm.
You got plenty of them here. You got plenty of them. I'm glad I was able to catch you, man. I ain't seen you yesterday, but I ain't get to get them up.
Alright. I got a good one. First one of the day.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah, making patties drip and paddles rip. Yeah, this is DJ Rustic. My leather's so soft, my top so soft. And let me go blue. She said my leather.
That thing impressive, bro. This thing you play all day, want it?
Oh yeah, pretty well. They get hot eventually. I got a light flip on it.
Yeah, man. Where can I follow you on social media?
It's just Tim Troyer on Facebook.
Okay, y'all be sure to give him a follow. Good seeing you, bro. Yes, sir.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.